I want you to stay with me just for a couple of minutes. I'm going to run through the numbers. What's happened in 2020? What have we done with our advertisers? Has it worked? Let me take you through some of the stats. If you don't yet have the 2021 Splash Media Kit, reach out, david@sparza.com.au. I would love to get you a copy of that and help. So let's go through the numbers of the best industry there is, the pool and spa industry of Australia and New Zealand. So g'day, kia ora to wherever you're watching from today. Let's go. Why am I so excited? Well, first of all, I'm excited because our subscribers to the magazine in print is up 70% in 3 years. 70%. It's true. That's a fantastic result. Not only that, a digital platform of the magazine this year is up 50% in engagement. Yes, some of that's COVID driven, but we've been able to measure that that's even as borders have opened back up, 50% has continued to increase as we see our audience bounce between all of our platforms, on the website, on the e-news, on the magazine print and the magazine digital, moving around between that. And I want to send out a special shout out. We've all done it a little bit tough. We've had to pivot this year. But in particular, I think we'd all agree that our Victorian cousins have done it really tough this year. And I just want to send a shout out to Victoria. We reach over 2,000 individual businesses in Victoria. You've done so well. I'm so glad the borders are opening. We can get off Zoom and get out together in person again. Well done, Victoria, this year. Now, here's another number. Our e-news we send out every 2 weeks. We have added 3,289 as of yesterday new subscribers to our database. We've got thousands that we're going out to. That's huge growth. And not only do we have a good audience, we have an engaged audience, a 30% open rate. You know, government only expects a 4.5% open rate. We're delivering 30% open rate for our advertisers. Our audience is so engaged. Not only that, the 32% so far this year in 2020 average, 32% click-through rate on our content. Phenomenal. Now, if you want to advertise and reach these thousands of people, an engaged audience, then our leaderboard positions have opened up for the first time in 4 years. You can only go to one. It's been sold as a 12-month package. So please, do this. Call now. First in, best dressed. Have I got a deal for you? I really do. It's a really good position. I can't believe it's opened up, but one of you is going to get that. Now, the big news is this year, we introduced an audience extension program. What is that, I hear you ask? Well, let's not get into the boring technical details. Let's actually talk about what we delivered by the numbers as I promised. On behalf of our advertisers, we delivered to our industry audience across Australia and New Zealand 7,869,605 brand impression placements on the web to our audience so far this year. We're on track to deliver 12 to 15 million. These are reportable, by the way, to our advertisers on a monthly basis. And so if you want to find out how to get a piece of this action, reach out, let me know, and I can walk you through how this works. But millions of new brand impressions to our audience this year. Be a part of it. Look, I really am so thrilled that you've been on this journey with us. If you're not on the journey yet, come on board. Would love to help if you would like to reach the best industry that there is, the pool and spa building industry. Now, if you're saying, yep, trade's important to me, but we also want to reach consumer, then I just want to quickly introduce this brand, Pool and Spa Enhancing Outdoor Living. This is a consumer brand for 1.5 million pool and spa owners across New Zealand, across Australia. If you would like to be a part of reaching and helping pool owners, spa owners get the most out of their pool and spa with your product, then reach out and let me walk you through. That's an exciting brand. What a year. It's been incredible. Happy Christmas. I wish you a safe and relaxing holidays, and reach out to me on david@sparza.com.au. I'm here to help. Take care.